2988, we know the food is the center of your universe. You're overweight or your mental health, we honestly don't know which one is worse.
Get off your chair and exercise. It must really suck to be a size.
Boogie is what happens when you go out fishing and you thought you caught a whale. Boogie is what happens when he fell from the building and it felt like an earthquake. Boogie is what happens when human beings only eat burgers every day. Boogie is what happens. Boogie 2988, you're counting this crap anyway. You're counting this crap anyway. Boogie 2988, we know your childhood was really sad. You couldn't fit and you were just a joke. Is that why your channel is downright mad? Boogie, you're fat. Boogie, you're fat. Boogie, you're fat. And downright mad.
Get up in a chair and exercise. It must really suck
To be your size.